Hey, so we've just arrived in Chichen Itza, one of the new 7 wonders of the world. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning and it's already getting pretty busy here. And apparently, give it another 2 hours and it's going to be packed. You won't be able to get into the car park. So our tip is to get here early so you can make the most of this beautiful attraction. So yeah, we're going to go and check it out. See you later. We've just finished up at another cenote called Akil. It was a little bit more touristy than the last one we've been to. I think it's a bit more well known, but it's very beautiful. And now we're going to head back to Cancun. So we've hired a private driver again today. Definitely recommend that. It's just made our lives so much easier. Yeah, see you later. So we've just arrived back in Cancun, and normally we stay in quite cheap places on these shoots, but we've just been upgraded to an all-inclusive hotel with its own private beach. So that's pretty good for us and good for you too, because we can show you that side of Cancun. So we're gonna take a look at one of the many restaurants here, grab a bite to eat, and then be back tomorrow, and we're gonna go to an island called Isla Mujeres. So we'll see you then. Bye!